What's up, guys? Ish back again with another episode of Doing Ish with Ish. So, I know you guys see me in white beater again. You're probably like, this guy only has white beaters. He doesn't have any clothes. You know how it is, guys. When I'm outside doing something, I like to be comfortable. So the video, I'm trying something a little different as far as the settings go. Somebody commented, told me to not really use the fisheye lens, so I'm gonna try. I guess this is called the leaner. Anyways, so today's video, what we're gonna do is, I literally just got my B&W Tow and Stow hitch for the truck. I'm going to go ahead and install this. I'm gonna do an unboxing, an unboxing and an installation, and kind of a short review. I had bought this same exact hitch. I bought that hitch in a 9-inch configuration, and that thing was just way too long for my truck. My truck is raised 6 inches, and that thing just was ridiculous. So I'm gonna grab something to drink, and we're gonna go outside. I also bought some hitch pins. I have a locking pin on there now, but I bought, where is it? My wife always touches my stuff. I bought these 2 pins to kind of put on the rotating part of it, so you know somebody wouldn't steal my hitch. So let me find those pins, and I'll be back. All right, guys, so we're back. We got the truck the closest I can get this thing into the garage. So I'm gonna set you guys up about right here. Hope you guys can see pretty well. So I'm gonna start by taking off my my receiver cover, whatever you want to call it. I have a locking key setup on this. I strongly recommend this, even if you don't have a super expensive option on your truck. Just get it. The world we live in today, it's crazy. People want to steal something so dumb. But let's start by here. All right, so let's go ahead and do an unboxing right here. All right, you guys pretty much see right there. All right, so we've got the Tow and Stow on the front, American made, limited lifetime warranty. This is exactly how they shipped my first one, just like this. So what we have here is, I guess they call it Model 10. It's a 7-inch drop, 7.5-inch rise, tripod configuration with a 2-inch. So my hitch here is 2 inches. You know, bigger trucks are gonna have like 2.5-inch or 3 inches, but I've got a little baby truck. That's all I need. So we're gonna open it up. Got like this egg crate looking thing here. This is a huge difference. Still looks fairly big for my application, but much smaller than what I had before. So here we have it. Looks a little dusty and stuff. Yeah, it's like super dusty. You guys see that? But this thing is heavy. And then, so what's crazy is my 9-inch one, this was solid. It was like solid right here. So that's different. So we're gonna remove these 2 pins here, 2 cotters, and then we're gonna remove this pin here, this pin here, so we can kind of slide down. I'm gonna go ahead and install this thing. So I'll move you guys so you guys can see and install it. You guys can see there. Yeah, we should be able to see. So it has 2 holes. You're gonna want to go to that first hole. So you want it as deep as you can. That's how she likes it. What? So we'll slide in. First hole, second hole. You know what? I might not even. No. You know what? Before I do that, this is not necessary, but I'm gonna see if I can run this. This is just a silencer, just so I get rid of this little gap here. See this gap? This part here, the bottom part, you can swing up and kind of unlatch it from here. and I don't want that happening. So I'm gonna go ahead and install a silencer there. Hopefully you guys can still see. Install a silencer there just to kind of cover some of that area so this can't come out that easy. So I'm gonna slide it on over. Those things are pretty heavy. Come on. That should kind of give me the cushion I need. Yeah. And actually, somebody could give me the cushion I need. So, let's see. Hope you guys can see this part. Put you guys over here so you can see what I'm talking about that part getting kind of taken out. Almost. So what I'm gonna do is go ahead and throw one of these in here real quick. So I bought this setup here because these are key to like. So I just need one key for 2 pins rather than have a whole bunch of different keys and pins and whatnot. So it'll come like that. This thing must have like a, oh, it's a sticker on here. Stick on there. So go ahead, slap it on. And I'm not gonna lie, I don't like how much of this is actually showing here. Looks like it has enough room for somebody to kind of break this off, but that's not what the video is for. So now that I've got this locked in here, let's see if I can kind of take this off here. Let's see. So you see how, like, look, you see this? That's what I'm talking about. So the purpose of the silencer was to not allow that to happen, but it still was able to happen. So that's what those other pins that I have are for. See? So now we're able to lock this back into place here. So let me get the pins. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna use one of these pins I keep in this kit that I have just bought to lock this in. But this thing is, I mean, this thing is freaking solid. Check this out. This thing is solid. So bring you guys to this side over here, so you can see all the adjustments. So, where the heck is the hitch? You see it? All right. So you have this pin here. This pin here is going to allow you to adjust the ball. So you have like 2 5/16, 1 7/8, and then a 2-inch ball. So whatever ball you need, you just swing your balls around. Pause. So one hole will be for a certain ball, then you would turn it for another way to get to the next ball. So this one will go inside this hole here, lock that in, here you're good to go. So I'm not super worried about somebody stealing the pin for here, because all that's gonna happen is this will turn and I won't be able to use it. I'm more worried about one of these pins here, because these ones are what locks this into place. So what I'm gonna do is I'm also going to run another locking setup here. Oh wow, good thing this came with 4 keys. I already lost a set of keys. So I'm gonna unlock this one here. Let's see. And I'm going to see, hopefully, that this works in there like so. Does it? Oh boy. So it does. It's just this, they put this freaking sticker on here for some absurd reason. Wow, look at this. Like, why would you put a sticker on something that's going to go inside a hole like that? So now it should be okay. So it kind of slides right in. Oh, so let's take this O-ring off here, because as of right now, this thing is not going to fit. So take the O-ring off. Let's see. Even with the O-ring off, yeah, it's not going to work. So I just ripped the labels off this thing. That's not going to work for me. So for now, I'll just have to keep a close eye on this setup. You know, truck doesn't really get parked anywhere, and I'm not around. So yeah, I'm gonna take this off. Oh, let me see. Can I use this one? My other one? This one's probably too short. Yep, definitely too short. So my other one won't work. So definitely sending this back because it's no use for me. So what we're gonna do is I'm gonna unlock this one back up. So if you have one of these guys, you definitely gonna want to, you know, pay attention to this groove here, because if you're spending a lot of money on this thing, you do not want somebody to just be able to come by and steal this. I know B&W makes a plate for here. I'm probably just gonna go ahead and order that. I'm gonna go back to using my old little hitch thing there. But back, so the main part of this, the main reason for this video is a review on it, which I do feel like, you know, you're spending so much money on this thing, it should kind of come with a locking pin. I know there's a company, it's like Infinite something, that they sell. They sell a locking pin for this. Because these are, I'm not gonna lie, yeah, these are really nice. They're nice and machined and stuff. But the world we live in today, it's only gonna be a matter of time before somebody sees your hitch and wants to steal it. Or even if they can't steal it, make it unuseful for you. Like right now, I lost my 2 cotter pins, so right now, oh, here we go. I never took them out of the box, okay. So, actually I'm not gonna put those in there. So you guys can see real quick. So this is in that configuration when you're gonna tow something. Now, the reason why I wanted this hitch was because I have kids and I don't wanna have a Shin Buster 3000. So when I'm not using it, which I don't plan on using it anytime soon, but if I need to use it, I wanted to have it. So you'll come around, flip this bad boy around, grab the pin, slide one in, slide the other one in, put your pins in, and now boom. No longer a Shin Breaker 3000, instead it's somebody's Bumper Breaker 3000. Pin in like so, pin in there like so, twist this around. And there you have it. Now you got it stowed away. You can walk behind your truck, not worrying that you're gonna bust your shin open. Good thing I came and did this inside because it was starting to rain. But overall, great quality. I know a lot of people, they run the bulletproof hitch, and those are awesome hitches, especially, you know, if you got a big old truck and you're gonna be pulling a lot of stuff. This truck, I don't know what I can tell, maybe like 10,000 pounds is what the hitch can do. So, and I know those bulletproofs, you're literally, your hitch is gonna have a bigger capacity than your truck itself. This, I don't know, would you guys call this the hitch or the receiver? Comment down below. I thought this was the receiver because it's receiving, but you know, whatever. So I have the silencer in there to kind of take away from that gap. But I do like it. I like it a lot. Funny story behind the hitch was, so my birthday's coming up and Father's Day's coming up, and my wife asked me what I wanted, and I was like, babe, well, you know, I'm gonna need a hitch. And I want a hitch mainly, a steel one like this, so if somebody hits me, you know, it's not gonna cause damage to the truck, even though I'm pretty high up. So she went ahead and, you know, contacted my brother, and they bought me a bulletproof hitch, and I didn't know. I showed her what I had ordered the other day. I said, babe, look, I just bought this randomly. And she goes, what'd you buy? So I showed her on Amazon, she had this face, and I already knew what the face meant. Fellas, you know the face. Comment down below if you've gotten that face before. Where Shirley had ordered it, you know, and yeah, I told her about this hitch and the reason why I wanted this hitch. I'm able to stow this way. My father has this hitch. I like the way it looks, you know, even though when I'm not using it, but it's there. It looks aggressive. The 9-inch hung way low. It was crazy. I mean, crazy. But overall, I'm happy with the hitch. I'm going to replace one of these pins at least so I can lock this thing up. All you would just need is one. Just need to lock one of these up so someone can't steal it. As you guys saw, I'll demonstrate it again. Now that it's all bolted up and stuff, on how somebody can actually just kind of steal this from you. All right, so let me just push it goes here. So if you're somewhere, all you have to do is pull this one pin. So now you pull it out, pull that one out. See, that thing's pretty heavy. All you have to do is angle this just right. Actually, they'd have to come over here. So tip, keep your bigger ball on there. So it's more stuff that they have to do. So take that pin out. So now they can switch. You can switch the ball around. Probably try to lock this thing up. All right. So now we can switch the ball around. The smaller ball. Actually, can't even get it with that one. So let's see. Was that the smallest one? Yeah, that is the smallest one. So, how did I take this thing off before? Let's see here. No, I got it where I was able to take it off. Yeah, so right there, look. And boom. Just like that. Now all you have is a bar you can't do anything with. You know, in the world we live in today, unfortunately, it's unfortunate to say so, somebody would want to probably just do that. You know? They probably got theirs stolen, so they're like, you know what, I'm gonna get somebody else. But yeah, overall, super happy with the Hitch. I'm going to definitely run it with the bigger ball on it, just so it's a little harder to steal until I get that set up, that pin set up that I want, which I will make a video once I do get that video. Once I do get that pin. I'm gonna set this here like so. So yeah, I like it. Super adjustable. You can do 7 inches drop or 7.5 inch raise. Pretty much what you do is take it out, flip it over, and now you can bring this up way higher. You bring the ball part up. So if you take this out, flip it around, now you can go upwards. But yeah, guys, I'm gonna do a video when I do my first tow with the truck. I haven't towed anything with the truck at all. Do a video of what I think, how it holds up after pulling something a few times. Then we're gonna make a video once I get my pin, or once I get, well, I'm gonna get the pin and I'm gonna get that locking thing for here. But yeah, guys, thanks for checking out the video. Like and subscribe. Once again, this is the B&W Hitch, the tow and stow. This is the 7-inch configuration with three balls, paws. I had the 9-inch. I have a 6-inch lift. The 9-inch was just way too much for me. You can see here, if you have a 6-inch lifted truck, it's nothing crazy. I think that's pretty ideal. You can still adjust it. I'd rather have just a little bit more than I need than not enough. But yeah, guys, thanks for checking out the video. Peace.